Innovation is happening right under our noses, no matter where we are in the world. Let's take a look at some of the most groundbreaking new technologies in development around the globe. Our first pit stop is in Switzerland for some flying lessons. If you've ever tried to pilot a drone, you know it's no easy feat. Researchers at the Federal Institute of Technology in Lausanne figure the best way to control a drone is to become the controller. They've designed the FlyJacket, an exoskeleton that transforms the wearer into a human-sized joystick. Sensors in the suit detect the user's body motions and translates them into flight commands for the drone. The suit is paired with a virtual reality headset, allowing the user to see from the drone's perspective and navigate more accurately. What's more, the researchers have found pilots can fly for longer periods of time using the FlyJacket. This innovation is ready to take flight. We continue in the air with a visit to the tiny town of Edwards, California. That's the home of NASA's Armstrong Flight Research Center. Researchers there are experimenting with ways to design a more efficient aircraft. One of the ideas they've come up with is quite the head-turner. This is the X57 Maxwell, an airplane concept that features 14 small propellers spread out across its wings. They are powered by electronic motors which pack more punch than larger combustion engines even as they're scaled down in size. Having multiple propellers help move more air over the wing, and that provides greater lift to the aircraft as it takes off from the runway. The end result, an airplane that can get off the ground quicker, is cheaper to fuel, is better for the environment, and is quieter to operate. The X57 isn't quite ready for its maiden flight. Scientists still need to design engine batteries that are lightweight enough for aircraft. But you may as well get used to the funky wing design. You could be seeing it in airports before long. And lastly, we land in Singapore for a deep dive into analytics. Margins are often razor thin at many retailers, so every inch of shelf space needs to be optimized to make ends meet. Trax Retail is harnessing the power of a smartphone camera to help make that happen. The company has developed an analytics platform that can figure out reams of product information from a single photo. A user simply snaps a picture of a shelf and cutting-edge image recognition software identifies each individual product. From there, the data analytics platform teases out valuable insights for the retailer. For example, it can notify a company if they need to restock product, reorganize their shelf arrangement, or tweak their promotional strategy. It's the type of solution that flies off the shelf. And that's our wrap of the top innovations from around the world.